what are the benefits of observing Vaikuntha Ekadashi? What is gained by fasting and having the darshan of Lord Venkateshwara on that day? The Padma Purana and the Skanda Purana describe the greatness of Vaikuntha Ekadashi. Once, when Lord Mahavishnu was in his yogic sleep, two demons named Madhu and Kaitaba emerged from his ears. These demons stole the Vedas and troubled Lord Brahma. Distressed, Brahma approached Lord Vishnu and explained his problem. Mahavishnu then destroyed the two demons. The day on which Madhu and Kaitaba were slain came to be known as Vaikuntha Ekadashi. The Puranas also narrate another story related to this day. Once a demon named Murasura defeated the gods and took control of heaven. Lord Mahavishnu came to the aid of the Devas and, after a prolonged battle, destroyed Murasura. At that moment, from the body of the slain Murasura, the goddess Ekadashi was born. Goddess Ekadashi asked Lord Vishnu for a boon, that on the day she helped in killing Murasura, which would be later celebrated as Vaikuntha Ekadashi, the gates of Vaikuntha should remain open. Lord Mahavishnu granted her boon, saying, Tathastu. Therefore, it is believed that whoever enters the door of Vishnu's temple on the day of Vaikuntha Ekadashi attains moksha. It is said that if one observes a fast on this day and has the darshan of Lord Venkateshwara, one will attain Vaikuntha and liberation after death. It is also believed that observing this Rat leads to removal of sins, bestows wealth and prosperity, and grants the merit equivalent to fasting on 21 Ekadashis. Have the darshan of Lord Venkateshwara, the ruler of Bhuloka, and become a recipient of Lord Mahavishnu's grace. If you too are a devotee of Govinda, comment Govinda Govinda. For more such stories, subscribe to our channel.